All rise. Judge Vonda B court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1042, Stone case.
Thank you.
You welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Stone, you
Yes,
brought
ma'am.
this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, so basically, this is my twin sister. She dropped off her child to me about like 6 months ago, dropped her off saying that she was gonna come back, run to the store, and literally never came back.
Here's the heart of the drama. A twin sister dropping off her own child and never coming back. Think about that. You go out for a quick errand and simply disappear from parenting. The aunt is not just babysitting, she is footing medical, bills, handling school runs, and providing emotional support. This is not charity. It is full-on parenthood. And now she is asking for something very reasonable: legal child support. The irony? She is not fighting for custody. She is already living it. She just wants financial relief for doing the job her sister should have never abandoned.
I've been taking care of her. I myself has 2 other kids as well. The little girl, her name is Karina.
Okay.
But Karina, so
How old is Karina?
she's 4 years old.
Okay.
Yeah. She's been getting sick a lot. I've been taking her to a doctor, but out of my pocket, it's been hard to take care of all that. And from what I hear, my sister over here has been up in the club, twerking, and not taking care of her responsibilities, and not doing what she
excuse
needs
me,
to do.
Why is that funny?
Notice that moment? Christina, the biological mom, actually laughed when her sister explained the hardship. In court, that is not just bad form, it is revealing. Judges look for sincerity and accountability, and laughter here screams denial and disrespect. It is almost as if she does not grasp the gravity of leaving a 4-year-old behind. Judge Vonda didn't let it slide, and you should not either. Viewers, put yourself in that child's shoes. If your parent chuckled at your suffering, how would you feel?
I don't know.
When she finishes, then I will come to you. But there will be no laughing in here. Especially
sorry,
about what, don't be sorry, just don't do it.
All right.
Especially about what she just said, allegedly, that you're doing. You may continue.
But that's basically it. I'm here to request child support from her. That is my niece, and I do want her to, be okay, but I can't take care of her by myself.
Okay. All right. So, what's your name?
I'm Christina Stone.
Okay. All right, Christina. What do you have to say about what your sister said?
Basically, I just feel like we shouldn't even be here. We're sisters. This is a family matter. I don't even know why she even brought me here. I have tried to contact her, and for some reason, I have not been able to get a hold of her.
Wait a minute. Hold on 1 second. You seem to be upset.
Yes, I am very upset because she's over here.
She should be upset. If what she says is true, that you left Karina with her.
This is the turning point. Judge Vonda flips the script. The mom shows up angry, defensive, and playing the "we are family" card. But the judge reminds her of reality. Family does not erase neglect. And listen to the sharp phrasing: she should be upset. You left your daughter. This is legal accountability stripped of excuses. The mom tries to justify her absence by saying she has been going through a lot. But hardship does not mean you get to abandon responsibility. Courts care about action, not excuses.
After going to the store, is that true?
And she hasn't even called me at all. That's
I've
a
been trying to
lie.
get a hold of her.
1 second. It's a yes or no. Is that true? Did you
Yes.
leave Karina? Okay. She should be the one upset. You left your daughter, have not come back. She's paying things out of pocket. Your daughter has health issues, and you're not giving her any type of financial assistance. She should be upset. I don't understand your attitude.
I understand, but we are blood. We are family. I am going through a lot myself.
What are you going through?
Well, my baby father in jail, so it's hard for me to really.
What he in jail for?
He got involved in some.
And here is the twist. The father is serving time in prison for drug-related charges. That means he is not just absent physically. He is legally incapable of providing support for years. Judges always look at the child's best interests, And with dad locked away, the mom's responsibility only grows. Think about it. The child does not get to pause their needs because dad's in prison. Rent, food, and health bills keep coming, which is why today's case focuses squarely on the mother.
He got involved in some drugs and
Involved
He's a
in some
deadbeat.
drugs?
He ain't taking care of nobody.
Oh, okay.
so basically, yeah, he got involved with some drugs. He ended up in the penitentiary, and
How long has he been in there?
he's been in there for about 2 to 3 years, 2.5,
Okay.
something like that.
So he doesn't really know Karina then?
No,
Okay.
unfortunately.
All right. Okay, and I see that dad was served by way of you through the penitentiary system. So he was ordered, to not necessarily be here because he can't be here, but he is aware that this hearing is taking place today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yeah, I understand that it's a family matter, but at the end of the day, she's still doing something she is not obligated to do. And you do need to pay her child support. You and dad both, but it wouldn't be right to put dad on child support today considering he's not here and he's in a penitentiary. Do you know how long he will be in there?
He has about 4 more years left.
Okay, so in 4 years, you guys can come back to court and then we can modify it. But as far as today,
Did you catch that? After months of absence, Christina suddenly suggests taking custody back as if it is a bargaining chip. But courts don't work like that. Custody is built on consistency, care, and proven responsibility, not whims. Judge, Vonda shut her down fast. If you abandon your child, you do not just get to reclaim them like lost luggage. For viewers, do you think parents who vanish should automatically regain rights later? Or should the court demand proof of real change before custody is even considered?
are going to start paying her some child support.
But what if I just get the custody back?
You ain't even taking care of her. What do you mean?
I could take care of my own child.
No, I've been seeing
Wait
you
a minute,
out on
excuse me.
Snapchat all over.
You two will just address me, okay? You never had custody from the sounds of it. If you dropped your daughter off and never went back, she has been in rightful custody of your daughter, not you. So I can't make her overturn that situation. I mean, she's been doing it. That's what's right. And what's right is that you should pay child support. You'd agree with me, right?
Well, I mean, I would eventually like to get my child back.
Well, that's fine eventually, but today, that's not what's going to happen, okay? How much money do you make?
Here comes the money talk. Christina admits she makes around $3,000 a year. Not terrible, but then hesitates when asked about side endeavors. That hesitation matters. Judges can spot when someone is not being fully honest about their income. Why? Because child support is calculated on actual earnings, not just the paycheck you want to admit. And for anyone watching who thinks you can hide cash jobs from the court, think again. Judges see through the hesitation.
I make about 30 grand a year.
30 grand a year. Okay, what do you do?
I work for a retail store.
You get commission?
No, I do not.
Okay. Is that the truth? Because you kind of hesitated.
I mean, I have other endeavors and stuff, like, you know, side businesses.
Okay, but nothing that just generates a whole lot of money?
No,
Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. Do you have any other children?
I do not.
Okay. So your child support obligation will start today. And health insurance, do you know how much it would cost to add the child only?
So I had called around and they were quoting me about $500.
For that child only? Okay, if that child is, you said you have 2 other children? Mm-hmm. So it's 2 other children, it'll be you and then Karina.
Yes,
So it'll be
ma'am.
4 people. How much would it be total for your insurance?
So for all of us, I think they said like $1,300.
$1,300. Ooh, health insurance is so expensive. So what I can do is divide it by 4. So individually, each person would be $325. So that would be the coverage that you will reimburse to your sister. Okay?
This is where numbers become accountability. Judge Vonda breaks down health insurance, dividing costs fairly across family members, and adds child support. The final figure, $754 a month. Now, some of you may think that is steep, But here's the reality. That amount ensures Karina gets medical care and daily support she desperately needs. Courts do not care about rolled eyes or attitude. They care about the child's survival. And Judge Vonda delivers it with zero hesitation.
In addition to child support. So you said you have one child. I have your gross at $2,500 monthly, which brings your net to $2,146.92. And you have one child. That brings your child support obligation to $429 plus the health insurance at $325. Your monthly obligation is $754 a month. You can roll your eyes all you want to.
Notice the tone. Firm, direct, and unapologetic. Right is right, and wrong is wrong. In legal terms, that is the backbone of family court. Judges do not sugarcoat when it comes to children. And Christina's eye rolls, they only highlight her unwillingness to take responsibility. It is not about punishing her. It is about protecting Karina.
I'm really not bothered by that. Right is right and wrong is wrong. And based on what your sister said and based on your own admission, you're in the wrong, and it's only right that you pay her child support as well as health insurance so your daughter can get her health issues taken care of. Anything I said confuse you?
I understand.
Okay. Well, do you have any questions for me?
I don't.
Okay. Do you have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. Hi guys, it's me, Judge Vonda B. I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Stone case. Now in this case, you have two sisters. The one sister is in possession of the child, who's actually the aunt. The other sister is mom, has not been in possession of the child. Her sister has. The child has health issues. Her sister needs to add the child to health insurance. What can be done about this? Well, in Texas, because the sister, aunt, is in possession of the child, she can get a court order that allows her to be able to show she has legal custody of the child, as well as be able to add the child to health insurance and receive child support. And that's the reason that mom was ordered to pay child support in this case. You heard me mention that it wouldn't be fair to make dad pay child support considering he was incarcerated. That is very true. That wouldn't necessarily be the right thing to do, considering that those funds wouldn't necessarily come from him. So in the future, their case can be modified, and dad as well as mom will be able to pay child support to the aunt.
And there you have it. Two sisters divided by responsibility, united only by conflict. Judge Vonda reminded us all, when you abandon your role as a parent, someone else picks up the burden, and the law will make sure you pay your share. Today, his case shows how family ties can collapse under neglect, but be rebuilt through legal fairness. So now, we want to hear from you. Was the judge too harsh or exactly right? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this case as shocking, as we did, hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and do not forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns every week.